This is a video about how you can see hidden objects with your cell phone, and we're working on this wash machine, and we have to get behind this panel. Now, as you can see, this space here is too small for me to look behind here where my fingers are at, and there's a screw there, and there's a screw there, and one way you can do it is you put your hand back there like so, and then just by feel you can get back there and take the screw out like so. An easy way to do that is use your cell phone. Open up your camera, and then just with the camera view here, without video or anything, you can put the camera back here, and right there's the screw right there where my finger's at. By seeing it with your cell phone, then you can get your screwdriver back there and go right on it for unscrewing it, and then for putting it back in, this square back bracket, it moves back and forth a little bit, about ½ an inch. So by using this, you can get that lined up, and then you can just put the screw right back in. Another thing you can use this cell phone for seeing hidden objects is, you say this washer was behind the wall or next to a wall here, and for some reason you couldn't get your head back there to see down along the washer. You can just put this cell phone here and see there. You can see what's on the other side of this washing machine. So another thing you can use the cell phone camera for is to read fine print on packages. And if you're in a store and say you forgot your glasses, then you can just try your cell phone camera, focus in on the image like this, and then magnify it like this. Okay, thanks for watching.